What's so shocking about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is that the Samsung's foldable line is already in its 4th iteration. To me, it feels like it was just yesterday that the first gen Fold launched, but we're here several years later, and this is the 4th version of the design. This year seems like an overall incremental update for the Fold. The camera bump looks the same, there's the same inner and outer screen with a 120Hz display refresh rate, and beyond the new colors, there's nothing visually to get excited about. Oh, and the stylus and the rather visible foldable display crease, they're back, that's still a thing. The screen does feel a little bit more like glass though during my very brief hands-on time with the phone. Speaking of the stylus, the pen still doesn't come with the Fold 4, and there's also no storage slot unless you purchase like a separate case for the device. It's really under the hood where things are different. There's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip and a trio of new cameras, with the 50 megapixel primary shooter being the focal point. Since the Fold line has lagged behind the Galaxy S series in the past in terms of cameras, this is really great to see. Of course, I still need to test it out and see how it performs. It also looks like Samsung has improved the inner under display shooter this year. It is less visible and it seems like it performs a little bit better under low light, but again, I still need to really test it out and put it through its paces. I've always appreciated the Fold's design because it makes sense. There's a real utility to it, unlike the Flip series. Carrying around a tablet that can fold into a rather thick, normal-sized smartphone, it's compelling and something that I could actually see myself doing. This year, there seems to be less compromises if you have the cash and the interest in being on the bleeding edge of smartphones. And as far as I'm concerned, that's a good thing. Make sure to smash that like button and all of the other YouTube buttons and continue watching our channel. Peace.
I'm just gonna butt in here and say that the Flip 3 is also cool, and watch my video to check that one out.
It's not cool.